Welcome to today's free flow, a blend of tapping and Qigong to help you wash away worry. Find a quiet place to practice and we will get started. Let's begin with some tapping, beginning on the chest, tapping where I tap and repeating after me, even though I feel consumed by worry. Inner eye, my mind swirling with what can go wrong. Outer eye, my body overwhelmed with tension and fear. Under eye, and I'm struggling to pull myself free from its grasp. Upper lip, I choose to take this time to wash away my worries. Chin, free myself from their hold. Collarbone, find freedom in this moment, knowing I am safe. Side of the body, bring calm and stillness to my mind. Top of the head, reminding my body it's okay to relax and let go. Giving yourself a little shake, coming in to release some of that tension we're holding in our shoulders, rolling forward from the shoulder, and as you do so, bringing that leg forward with you, allowing the shoulder to really lead the movement. And then working your way back, rolling back from the shoulder and allowing that leg on the same side to pick up and roll back as well. A lot of times when we are overwhelmed, we're worried, we carry that tension within our shoulders. Our shoulders can get drawn close up to our ears, so just letting them fall back and down. And then grasping your hands behind your back and pushing your arms back so you're opening up the chest, tilting your head to the side and rocking back and forth. Again, getting that stretch throughout the neck, shoulders, back, chest. Those areas where worry can really lay heavy. Rotating sides. And coming back up to center, allowing the arms to fall by your side, grasping your hands once more and lifting overhead as you stretch tall and bending to the side. Inhale, stretch up, and exhale, bend to the opposite side. Opening up our spleen meridian, which holds the emotion of worry, running along the side of the body from the big toe underneath the arm. You're exhaling to the side, getting that deep stretch. Freeing the emotion from the meridian channel, and also compressing the organ itself. And this time, inhale as you come up. And allow your body to fall to the side. You can even pull down with your one arm to really get a deeper stretch. Just for a breath. And coming back up to center. And doing so on the opposite side. Pulling down, opening up the side of the body. and back to center. And giving yourself a shake, a small bounce in the knees. You can rotate from side to side, allowing the upper half of your body really to go limp. This is great for getting your blood flow, your lymphatic system moving, your energy flowing, but it's also great for really releasing those heavy emotions. So inhale through your nose, you can let a sighing out through the mouth, moving your arms up parallel to the ground and up overhead. Using your breath to carry out any stagnant emotions. And start shaking faster. And bringing your hands to your lower dantian as if you're holding a ball. Settling into your breath. Focusing on your hands. And allowing your arms to fall down by your side. And bringing your hands down, pulling them up through the center of the body, up towards the sky, opening up, and pulling them back down. This is called washing the barrel. It's really great for clearing your mind from troubles and worries. You can think of your body like a barrel, and you're washing, bringing up earth's energy, opening up to the heavens, and flushing yourself back out. Just like the water through a barrel, just cleaning away any dirt and grime or anything that's clogged or stagnant. We're doing the same with our body. So rinsing it, freeing it from those heavy emotions of worry, and filling yourself back up with peacefulness and calmness, serenity. Inhaling as you come up, and exhaling as you go down. Going with your own breath, getting into a flow. Really visualize your inner barrel being cleansed. And allow your hands to fall down by your side. Inhale as you come up. And exhale as your hands fall down by your side. Inhale, hands up, rotating, pushing to the sky. And exhale as they come down. And one more time. Placing your hands on your lower belly over your lower dantian. Steadying your breath. Grounding your feet into the earth. Spine tall, crown of the head pulled towards the heavens. Feeling cleansed from worry at a place of peace and stillness. I hope that helped. As always, please let me know in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you check out my Mindfully Me studio, where you'll have access to all my monthly workshops, exclusive videos, community space, and more. Available as an app so you can practice anytime, anywhere.